Hi there, I'm Cassandra Falby, licensed marriage and family therapist in California. So I was thinking about how relationships can feel tired, and sometimes that has to do with the connection not being maintained. And so if you feel like that is what you're experiencing in your relationship, listen up. Because I want to share with you one of the most underrated power moves when it comes to relationships. Gottman's emotional bank account. And so one of the things to consider is that your relationship has a balance sheet. And you can't see it. It's not like an actual thing that you're tracking. But what this means is that you have hundreds of opportunities a day to make deposits or withdrawals in your relationship's emotional bank account. And depending on how frequently you do this meaning your withdrawals or the deposits, it can really impact the health and strength of your relationship and your connection with your partner. All right. So one of the things to think about as well is that when you are nice and full, you're making deposits in the bank account and you're in the black, it's feeling good, you are less likely to take ish personally. What that means is, let's say your partner is going to bring home almond milk. You ask them to bring home almond milk and they forget. When you are set and flushed in your emotional bank account, you are able to see it as, oh, they forgot the almond milk. Versus when you're in the red and you're feeling burnt out, worn out, you see the fact that they forgot the almond milk. You take that as a personal slight. All right. So the key is to really work on making these regular deposits of positivity. And so what that looks like, it looks like saying thank you. It can look like giving your partner a compliment. It can also look like sending them a text that says something sweet, versus the withdrawals, which can look like sending a text where you are criticizing them. Another form of withdrawal can look like a moment where they're talking to you. They're sharing something that's important and you are scrolling on your phone, right? I mean, there are lots of examples, tons of ways that we can either make deposits or withdrawals in our emotional bank account. Okay. If you found this helpful and you'd like to learn other ways to strengthen your relationship with your partner, I encourage you to contact me. You can click the link below and schedule a strategy call. And we can discuss how you can strengthen and fill up your emotional bank account for your relationship. And I can also give you other skills, tips, and tricks to support your relationship. All right, take care.